welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. Today is an awesome day. We got Ryan on camera. I've twisted his arm. So Ryan Billings, you've seen tons of awesome sheds that we've done. 2-story shed house, the classic car museum, infinite cool sheds. Martin Bennett's awesome hot rod shed. But Ryan,
yes.
Thank you, sir.
How you going, mate?
Hey, mate.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
So we're doing this epic shed here, insulated panels on the roof.
Yes.
What stage are we at the moment?
We're just getting into the putting the final flashings on and joinery install. Yeah, just all the final pieces, really.
It's always nice to see some joinery going in, isn't it?
Yeah,
You mentioned
absolutely.
getting close to the end.
Yes,
Yep.
yes, yeah.
And how's it all been?
Good. Yeah, no, it's gone really well.
I think the last time I was here, you were cladding, but you hadn't quite got the roof on. I missed out Sean and Jason were here to see the clad boy in action, putting on those insulated panels.
Yeah, fantastic
I'm
system.
State. How was it? How
Yeah,
was
it was
the clad
great.
boy? Yep.
Yeah, good.
Yep.
Yeah,
So
no, it was great.
How does the clad boy work?
It's basically got suction cups, vacuum cups that suck onto the panel, and then we high it into position, basically.
How long did it take? Because we were here and we probably saw 3 or 4 roof panels go on, so a decent chunk of the roof in maybe like half an hour, an hour. So.
Yeah, that was about an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, about 4.5 panels an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, it went really well, actually.
And it looks super clean from the inside. I
It
like
does,
that there's no mesh, there's no paper,
Yes.
so it just looks
Yep.
beautiful and clean on the inside.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, it was nice to handle. Yeah.
Yeah, so going inside, I mean, this is a pretty epic shed. I mean, colour combination, what are we looking at? Windsor grey here?
New denim blue.
New denim blue? I'm always guessing colour steel, I'm always guessing. I'm going to go ebony for the windows around
Yeah,
the
you did
doors.
right.
Nailed it.
Okay, yeah, that's 1 out of 2 ain't bad, eh? Yeah, City Glass, our friends have just done this joinery and it's really cool.
Yes.
So our man Bronick, he's worked with the client to design this shed, and you guys know us at Waikato Sheds, we'll always do the custom stuff and the cool stuff. So we've got that insulated panel, looks great, it's so much cooler.
It is.
Yeah.
You can feel it.
Yeah. Normally, if it's hot outside, you walk into a steel shed and it can be just as hot on the inside.
Yeah.
Whereas here, it's significantly cooler. Got these sectional doors as well, which I think is real cool, and they're actually insulated as well.
Interestingly, these are Nevada doors, and up until now, I think my shed is the only one that's had Nevada. So it's cool to see finally someone getting on the Nevada bandwagon.
Yes.
Yeah, they're a nice sectional door and insulated too, which is awesome.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really impressed with the structure of this one as well. Like, what do we got? 330s back to back?
Back to back
here?
330s.
Yeah, so,
Yeah, very strong.
So you got the full noise, New Zealand steel. You got the strength for the clear span. 12 metres deep? 10 metres deep, yeah. 12 metres.
12.
Yeah, 12 metres deep, so really big and strong. We can see the detail here, so a lot of people ask, how do we fit the windows and that? This is probably just an opportune time, is all the girts, all the cladding's done. When we flash back to what it was looking like when the roof's gone, all of the cladding was already on the walls, is then we'll cut it out, well, a royal way, Ryan and the crew. We'll cut it out, install the J-track, and then install the windows. Because you're saying you'll always consult with the owner exactly where the window placement's going to be. It's good, it gives us an ability to customise the shed, and that a lot of the time when they're going on a site like this, there's nothing here, so you're like, well, you want to get the right views, you want to get the right flow with it as well.
And on this side of the shed, they've gone for something a bit different. They've done some vertical windows because that's where the house is going to be. So when you look across from the house, there's going to be a bit of pizzazz. It's going to be more than just a shed, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Look sharp as.
Yeah, it's very cool just on the outsides of the mighty Tiawamutu. I've been trying my pronunciation, friends.
I've noticed this, I actually have noticed.
Thank you.
Waikato.
I know, it's hard to break old bad habits, but I'm trying. But no, like, it's excellent. It'll probably, a few more days and you're going to have it all wrapped up?
Yes, yeah, another couple of days and we're all done.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh well, great to catch up with you, Ryan. You guys have done a great job. Lead away, Tate, and other Ryans been here as well. So no, it's cool. Oh well. Any questions you guys want to know? Because it's obviously pretty different that we've got this insulated panel on the roof, but it's actually worked out really cost effective and how we've done it. And then we'll come back and see this place once it's done. I think it's going to be an epic finished job. All right. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.